Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel your RACV car insurance. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like cancellation process, there are two methods by which you can cancel your insurance. The first method is very easy. You just need to simply visit on internet and you need to you can like search like RACV car insurance cancel. Okay, and they will provide you phone number is like 137228. Okay, and once you dial their phone number, they will you when you connected with their customer support, you just need to simply tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance. They will ask you some details regarding your insurance policy, like your vehicle number, license plate number, and your insurance policy number, and maybe your name. And after verification, after identification of your policy, then they will cancel your policy. But they will try to keep policy by providing you some kind of offers, but you need to you can say like you need to totally disagree with their offers, then they will cancel your policy. But don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation, okay, on your email. And once you get proof of cancellation, it means your policy is ended. Okay, this is the very simple method, and this method is for everyone. And if you are a little bit technical person, what you can do, you can visit on the RACV official website. You need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to visit on account page section. You need to open your RACV, you can say like your dashboard. And once you select your dashboard, you need to go to on your products on your account, and then you need to click your car insurance policy which you want to cancel if you have multiple insurance policy. And once you select your policy, you need to scroll down to bottom of the screen and then click cancel product button. Okay, and by selecting the reason of cancellation, you can cancel your policy very easily. So this is the method by which you can cancel your RACV car insurance. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.